Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADP. Today our topic is one of the interview question, how to split array elements into separate columns. Suppose I have column called skill set and it has array of values. Okay, so these ones I need to convert into columns. Okay, suppose skill set I have like this, and in this I have three elements. Okay, so I want to convert into three columns. Okay, skill 1, 2, 3, and we are getting 3 and 4 as null because if you see fourth one, it has total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are getting total 5 columns. So since this one, it has all the values, it will publish here. If you see this one, we have only one value and remaining it will print as null. So we'll see with demo how to achieve this. So I have data set like this. So first I'm preparing a data set by giving these values, and this is my data set, what we have discussed here. And if you see data types, so first name is string type, and if you see skill set, it having array of string. So whatever this bracket is in a square bracket, that indicates array, and whatever inside are their strings. So we can achieve by different methods. So first method is I am using with column function, and I am applying with column by using skill 1. Suppose if you see here, maximum in this, how many values are there? If you see in this column, we have total 5. So I am using 5 times this with column function. So first one is with column skill 1. So that is this one, and skill 2, skill 3, skill 4. Okay, so where I'm applying df of skill set on this column, I'm applying, and I'm using index values. So 0. So 0 means in this, what is first one? .NET. It will print here. And if you see on 1 is there. Okay, in skill 2, 1 is there. In this, 1 is Git. Okay, and for skill 3 column, index 2 is there. Index 2 is this one. Okay, and this one index 4. Since we don't have 4, 4 and 5, it will print as null. Okay, so similar way it will print for remaining rows also. So WordPress, first column PHP, second column, and remaining all null. Python, MongoDB, Git. Python, MongoDB, Git, and remaining 2 are null. So here we have 5 values, it coming 5. Okay, since Azure having only one, remaining it will print as null. So this is one of the way by using index option. And second method is I am using select function. Instead of with column, I am using select function. I am selecting first column and second column. Our target is this one, skill set. And on top of that, I am using df dot skill set, and I am applying index 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am using alias as skill 1, skill 2, skill 3, 4, and 5, and result will be same. So how we discuss, similar way we'll get. So this is by using with column method. Second one is by using select method, and third method is by using for loop. Okay, so for loop, what I'm doing, for I in range 5. So range 5 I given, this one we have total 5 values. Okay, so that's why I given 5. So it will iterate 5 times, and it will run this function with column function. With column and F function skill underscore I. So first I means 0 will come. Okay, skill underscore 0, that is 1, skill underscore 1, skill underscore 2, 3, 4, like this. Total 5 columns. That means 5 times it will iterate. And with column, and on top of that, what is there? Df dot skill set on this column, and I given index I. So that means very first time it will be 0, index 0, that means .NET here, and second time index 1 here, index 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like this it will iterate and will generate similar output as in above method. And fourth one is, see here I am applying manual, this range 5. So manually looking and entering this range as 5. So how to achieve by standardization? Dynamic way. So for that, what I'm doing, first I'm determining the size of each array. That means each array, no? Each array size I'm determining here. That means this first array has 3 elements, 3, second one 2, 2, third one 3, 3, fourth one 5 is there, here 5, fifth one is 1. Okay, so for this what I'm doing, df dot select name skill set, and on top of that size function I'm using size on skill set, and I given alias as number of array elements. So in this column it will print size of each array. Okay, so second one is how to get the maximum size of among all these arrays. So in this we have 5 is the maximum number. So this one how to pick. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm using aggregate function. So df dot size, df size, and dot aggregate. I'm using aggregate function on which one, number of elements on this column, and I'm given max. Okay, max value it will pick, and I used to collect function to pick the maximum value. Okay, that is 5. So next what I'm doing, I'm creating one function, UDF function, to convert array elements into columns. So I created one function, def function. I given name like this, and inside that I given df and maximum elements, and same for loop I given. So whatever we discussed here, no, for loop. So same for loop I mentioned here, and it will return df. So this function how to call? So this function I'm calling here, and df. So df is our main data frame, this one df, and second one is max value. So max value we found here. Okay, so this is max value by using aggregate function. So what it does is it will run df function and maximum value. Two values we given. So in max elements we are passing, no. So for I in range, now here what is our max elements? 5. So now range 5. So remaining process is same. So how I explain, no, in for loop. So same thing. Okay. So I'm calling here this one. If I call this, I will get these columns. Okay. Since we have 5 columns will get added. So same thing. Output will be same in all the methods. Okay. So these are all the different methods to achieve this output. So that's all for this video. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share in your circle. Thank you.